Sure. It's obviously incredibly difficult to predict 5 or 10 years ahead for some of these assets. I expect Bitcoin will eventually get above 500,000. But I think in order to get there, it's going to have to be adopted by quite a few additional countries as currency in those nation states. I think they're also going to have to solve the environmental issue. Maybe there's a industry-wide effort to move Bitcoin to 100% renewable energy. I think that could really help. Anytime Bitcoin's hurting the world, it's just not going to be adopted by the global citizens. And so I think we really need to have a real authentic story of Bitcoin being the driver of renewable energy growth. And then in terms of Ethereum, I eventually expect Ethereum to get above 50,000. It's at 4,000 now. I think in 10 years, it'll be more like 50,000 or higher. But again, there's a lot of dynamics at play. And so if Solana or Phantom or Avalanche or one of these other better, newer, faster, cheaper blockchains can achieve the level of security and decentralization of Ethereum, then it's possible they might actually beat Ethereum. And so you can't just make one prediction and then it's static. I dynamically have to look at this every few weeks and sort of say, what is the technology? And so I like to invest in a basket of L1 blockchains. I've got investments in Ethereum, Solana, Phantom, Avalanche, Harmony, Tezos, and 10 others. And then in terms of Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's going to be volatile. So, I'm saying, yes, it'll be 50K Ethereum in 10 years, but we might have another 70, 80% correction before it gets there.